Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisode. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm really excited to bring you from our friends at Stamp Area these card collections. We did these several weeks ago and something similar, and I love them. I can't wait to show you what I did with Pink Christmas, and we've also got Romantic Christmas, so come play with us. So let's start with Romantic Christmas. On the back, it's got little picture of all the different elements, and it had 7 cards, 5 tags, and 1 bookmark. So let's go through this really quickly. So it's got these little postcards. Here's the bookmark. So sweet. Here's one of the cards. Here's another card. And then this one. And you've got these little embellishments like this. This is a little tag. It's got a hole punch and a couple of more tags. 1, 2, 3 of these tags. So let's jump right into this, and I'll show you. This is what my friend Debbie made. This is a 6x6 card. And as you can see, she used this sweet little best moments. She covered her card with red glitter cardstock, which just made it really pop. It's so fantastic. And then you can see here it's got this cute little clothesline, and then Debbie went ahead and added some red and white baker's twine, and this is from our red ribbon set available at Paper Wishes. And then she just cut out little tiny strips of paper, if you can see those, and she glued them right over the twine and gave a really cute little 3D element there. And then, of course, added to that little topper, these are Merry Christmas Dazzle stickers, and they come in all these different colors and finishes. She added a nice red one right there that is so pretty. And then she made this other card, which is so gorgeous. So this one, I should have mentioned, yeah, I did mention the other one was 6x6. This is a 5x6.5 card. And then this is hammered gold specialty paper, which is so amazing. It's got a great texture to it. She covered her card with that and then added one of these toppers. Let's see, which one did she add? The one that has holly on it. Go. Oh, are you guys seeing it and I'm not seeing it? Oh, I bet it's, I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. Oh, phew. Okay, so she took this card, so clever, and she cut the card in half, and that way she could use this one on this side, and she used the holly on the back for this card. Phew, man, it's panicking a little bit. Where did that go? And then she took these little bits and matted those with some more hammered gold and then foam taped them right on there. And how cute did that turn out? I love that. So that is the Romantic Christmas. And then I wanted to show you the Pink Christmas. Now, Pink Christmas has the exact same sizes of everything. Of course, totally different look. But what's great about that is that you could take this 6x6 and also do a glitter card and use those same elements. Here's another card. Here's these little big postcard shapes. Cute little embellishments. Here's those 3 tags. Another couple little toppers, and then another card. All right, so let's get to this and I'll show you some cards. I found that we could make all of these cards from this one pack, okay? And then at the end, I've also got some that I'm gonna actually build with you here. So here's a 6x6 using that sweet little deer. And what I did for this one is I just took a little sort of a scrap piece from the gingham 12x12, excuse me, the gingham number 2 6x6 papers, primarily using the pink and the kind of aqua teal green on this one. So I just took a little piece here that was about 1.5 inches, glued that across the bottom, added a little bit of pink ribbon there, and then all these little sparkles on here come from these pink jewel dazzle stickers, and we find that using this little jewel picker is such a nice little tool. It's got these two little ends on it like this. I like to use the larger end. One of the things you want to do is every once in a while just take a little wipe and clean it off, because sometimes it gets some adhesive on it and it starts to lose some of its tackiness. There we go. And then what you can do is, if we can zoom in on this, Steve, you can just take this little picker and then just place it on one of the jewels, and I just kind of stir it a little bit, and then it just lifts right off, and then you can place it anywhere you want. So let's try that again. You just place it, do a little stirring, and then that loosens it from the backing sheet, and then you can just place it anywhere you want. It comes right off. Very handy little tool, especially if you're doing a lot of placement like on this card right here. And then you'll see I put a little Mary with the Christmas here, and that comes from this great set of the Christmas collection Dazzle stickers. It's got these great script greetings as well as these little tiny words and phrases, and I just took that one from this gold sheet right here. I'll use that a couple more times, so you'll be seeing that again. So really quick and easy card to put together. Here's one that my Debbie made. It's so beautiful, and for this one she just put a little, she sort of covered her card with pink cardstock and then just used the topper on this. So let's see if I can find this one a little more quickly. Here we go. That went right over that, just like that. And then she used these fantastic, these are fancy border pearl and pastel Dazzle stickers. And they are great. They come in all these different finishes. And she added the silver ones at the top and bottom. Oops. Look at that. And then right here, she took those little extra pieces. This one, she put some little thin line Dazzle stickers right there. And then where are those other cute little pieces? This one, she cut this circle out and foam taped that right there. And then I think this piece right here came from one of the tags. Yes, right here. She tore this piece out and put that down, and then embellished that with some of those sweet little pink jewel Dazzle stickers. And then she also added, this is a sea glass pixie petal, these adorable little paper flowers, which are just perfect for this color. It's got this great little teal in the background. Here we go. And I just thought that turned out really, really sweet. All right, so for this one, this one is also a 5 by 6.5 inch card. And for this one, I covered or just glued across the center of the card the gingham paper in gray, actually, and then another little scrap in the pink gingham. And then I put some of these Dazzle stickers, this green, which one is it? This one, along the top and the bottom edge. And then there's some pink in here that is just great. Looking, here it is. Where did it go? Boy, today is not my day for finding things. Well, anyway, there's another great little selection in here that has these little pink dazzles that go along the top and the bottom. A little pink bow, and then another one of those little flowers. And then here we've got, this is Barefoot Beach Sparklets, which is so great just to add another little bit of sparkle right here. Another quick and easy card. All right, so this is one of the folded cards right here. And for this one, added some more. I added those pink jewel Dazzle stickers, then a little pink bow right there just to give it a little dimension. And that one's done. Okay, and then this one, we've got a little bit of blue ribbon, a little blue bow right there. Got that from the blue ribbon set. For this one, I took this sweet little bunny, or this, bunny card, and I just glued it over to the right side. So that left this side right here kind of this white space. And I just returned to my little stack here and took one of those pink stickers right here and just put one right down that side, and that just took care of that white space. Added some more of those pink Jewel Dazzle stickers, a little pixie petal right there, and then that little Joy Dazzle sticker that came from that gold sheet right there. In fact, it's right there, right on top. So that was another quick and easy one. So let me show you a couple of cards here that I've got. So here we've got another card. This one is, oops, that's super blurry. Okay, we can zoom out a little bit, Steve. So we've got a 6.5 by 5 inch card. I took a couple of those those fancy border dazzles and put them down the sides right there. All right, so now I've got this little piece right here, which I've already put some little pink Jewel Dazzle stickers on. I'm gonna put a couple dots of glue. Go. And I'm gonna put that right there. I really love how this teal on the gingham works together. As I said, I went ahead and put some of those little pink dazzles there. Here I've got a tag, added some more stickers there, and I just used a couple strips of foam tape on the back. For foam tape, we've got these little square pieces, and we've also got this jumbo roll of foam tape. I bring this on every once in a while. It's so great to see. So this is 150 feet or 50 yards of foam tape for under $20, and it is just the greatest tool we love using. Debbie and I just cannot get along without that. All right, so I'm going to foam tape that right there. Then I've got a little bit of pink ribbon, and I'm going to just glue that little knot of ribbon here. My glue is getting a little clogged. This is the Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue, which we love. It's a favorite. That. And then I've got just a couple of these little flowers. And we're going to glue those right here. And just adding just a couple little sparkly bits. I like to put things in little groupings, so if I put one flower down, then I really want to go ahead and put one little sparkle down next to it, just like that. It's really just all you need, just to add a little bit more sparkle, something that has a little bit of dimension to it as well. And there's one card down. And then this one, so once again, here is a 5 by 6.5 inch card. Took that same pack of gingham paper, just goes so beautifully with this collection. And I just glued one of those papers just sort of extending off the edge. And here I've got that Christmas bookmark, all right? And I'm just gonna put just a couple of dots of glue. I'm gonna attach that here. And I want to get a good portion of that tree on there. So I'm just going to glue it like this, and then I'm going to cut some off the top and the bottom. Give that a moment to glue to take hold. Okay, here we've got another little topper here. Put some more of those little pink Jewel Dazzle stickers on there, some foam tape on the back. And we're going to overlap that, just like that. Okay, and now I'm just going to take my little scissors, turn that card over. There we go. Okay, I've got a little pink bow. Put that right there. And then I can also add, oops, here we go. I can also add a little bit a pink border. Didn't get my tag on there quite as straight as I'd like to. When I'm placing one of these borders, I like to just anchor it on one end first, just like this, and then bring it across, and then anchor it down on the other side, and then just run my finger over that. We're just going to turn that over, trim that. There we go. So another quick and easy card. So let's go through these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards from one pack of toppers, plus a few little fun embellishments and some gingham paper. So you guys, I also don't forget about these great romantic Christmas in that different color finish there as well. So we've got a great money saver on these, you guys. If you look over on the right hand side of our page on Paper Wishes, you'll see on our Webisode page, you'll see the money saver. And if you look below the video, you'll also see a gallery, and you'll see the products used, and you can add those to your cart. And if you're watching us on YouTube, we haven't forgotten about you. Just check below the video in the description box, and you'll see a link that'll take you to our Paper Wishes Webisode page, and you'll find everything that I just mentioned. And hey, subscribe. We do 3 to 5 of these videos a week, and I wouldn't want you to miss anything. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.